All right, the Anvil Homeowners Tool Set. This is a 76-piece set. I just bought this at Home Depot for $39.99. Let's open it up and check it out. First thing I noticed, it's got a good hard carrying case. I like that. Seems like it should be sturdy enough to hold these. It's got a plastic clip on each side holding it in. Ooh, nice foam separator. That's nice and fancy. Let's see. First impression, all the tools seem to be nice and tight in here. You know, they're not falling out. They're not looking loose or anything. Oh, that one could probably jar loose, but it looks to be held in place while the case is closed. Extra blades up here. That's a nice touch for the razor knife. I like that. Ooh, a bottle opener. That's nice for when the job is done. Same generic scissors that you'd find at Harbor Freight or kind of the dollar store, but they're still good functional scissors, it looks like. You got plenty of Allen wrenches, you got standard and you got metric. Those are some of those things that you're going to use, but not all too often. But this makes it, or helps make it, a 76-piece set because there's a whole bunch of Allen wrenches. Same with the Torx Bits. You can see up here, Torx Bits are handy to have. Every now and then you're gonna run into Torx Bits when you're loosening something or taking something apart. A lot of bed frames and things like that when you order them nowadays have Torx Bits. So that's cool to have those. Precision screwdrivers, that's a nice touch. If you have kids and you know that the remotes are gonna have small screws, those are good to have. And I'm glad that these have their own handles and they're not in there, because having a nice skinny handle like that makes it easy to use on smaller things. One funny thing I noticed is that the Anvil logo here, you see Anvil, 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 Anvil. So they're painted on all the metal. You'd think because it was cast into the rubber and the plastic handles that it would be stamped into the metal, but it's actually painted on. So if you rub that enough, that's gonna come right off. So thought that was kind of funny. Spring clamps, those are a nice touch here. If you gotta, clamp something down, if you're gonna have a real thin piece of wood you gotta hold in place and you gotta gouge it with the knife, that's good to have around. This seems like a really decent little set for, around the house, general purpose. This might be really good for a gift idea for a homeowner. A couple things that I would have liked to see in this set is the tape measure here. That is only 12 foot. This should be at least a 20-foot tape measure, I would think, for home use. The tape measure at the dollar store is 15 feet. So, come on. Something ratcheting would be nice in here, too. So, especially if you're going to be putting something together that has a Torx bit, it's nice to have something that ratchets rather than just twisting the whole time. It's going to be easy on your hands. So, that's something I would have liked. And also, a stubby screwdriver. So, if you're going to be in a tight area, you're not going to want to put a Phillips head on this screwdriver handle here and try to fit into tight space. A stubby screwdriver would have come in pretty handy there. So, but overall, I think for 40 bucks, this is a really good gift idea. I like that they're color coded, and I hope this gave you a good idea of what this set is all about, if it might be a good purchase for you. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm going to keep on doing a whole bunch of tool reviews, among other things. And stay safe out there, guys. I appreciate it.